roaming around. It was the guy had it, I guess, and then the guy brought it in the house, put it in the car, and drove off in the car. Okay. And then he ditched it somewhere or let it free. I don't know what he did, but it's now loose in Houston. No one knows where it is. So let's take a look.
Y'all my client, okay? So I know.
Of course, Victor Cuevas responded along with a head nod when asked what he loved animals. Cuevas is a free man this evening after being released from Providence County Jail on an evading arrest charge out of Harris County.
Everybody knows this is Victor Cuevas, my client. And of course, as y'all can see, we have not bonded out of jail.
Cuevas sit next to his attorney.
Jeremy, just for a second. I don't know why that lawyer cracks me up. He's like, this is my client right here. As you can see, someone paid his bail. Yeah. Said he loves animals. Let's get to the charge here. Like, what's going on with the tiger? Anyone know where the tiger is? He's like, as you can see, the tiger was not in the cell with him. We don't know where the tiger is at this time.
Everybody knows this is Victor Cuevas, my client.
Yep. Loves animals. Yeah, anyways, let's hear a little more.
And of course, as y'all can see, we have not bonded out of jail.
Cuevas sit next to his attorney, Michael Elliott, in silence, as we continue to ask where he took the 9-month-old Bengal tiger named India after driving away with the big cat Sunday, leaving Houston police chasing behind. The tiger startled West Houston neighbors as it walked around the neighborhood before Cuevas hauled it away. Nearly 3 days have passed, and Cuevas remains mum about the tiger's whereabouts. His attorney claims he doesn't own the tiger.
Long misconceptions about what my client did and didn't do.
The Providence County DA's office says they're not surprised Cuevas is out of jail. Since charged with murder in 2017, Cuevas has bonded out of jail and brought back numerous times for violating his bond.
He passed the bond. That's why he was given one and was entitled to it. And so what will happen is that is on the Harris County case. That is not the Fort Wayne murder case.
KCC2 legal analyst Brian White says a judge could revoke Cuevas' murder case bond on Friday.
Okay, Jeremy,
The DA's office says Cuevas violated his...
If you would, because on a murder charge from 2017, he's bonded out, and he keeps going back to jail for violating his bond. This time, he's got this tiger and led the police on a big chase. Now, he's accused of murder from 2017. You feel like they get to that eventually, right? Why isn't that been tried? Yeah, I guess so. And in that time, he's decided to take on some cats, some big cats. And when you think of people who are accused of murder and giant tigers, I think of one person. I think you know who that person is. Could it be old tiger lady there? Carol Baskin.
I had the Carol Baskin down big cat rescue. It was all part of Carol Baskin's plan.
That's right. Baskin is Joe Exotic, like I like to talk, right? Arch nemesis of Mr. Joe Exotic. She is now part of this. She's put out a $5,000 reward for anybody who finds this tiger, and the Houston TV stations are putting her on TV. Let's take a listen to that.
I feel so bad for this cat because you could really tell in the way that it was like slipping along and it was really feeling so exposed out there and not knowing what to do in that environment.
Tigers are nearly impossible to hide, Carol says. They're loud and they destroy.
There's not going to be a thing left standing in the house. There's not going to be a couch that doesn't have the stuffing pulled out of it. There's not going to be drinks on the wall. There's not going to be any of that stuff with a big cat in the house.
Harris and Montgomery counties allow private ownership of tigers and other wild animals under certain conditions. Galveston and Fort Bend counties don't allow them, period. Carol supports a federal ban on private ownership of big cats.
Never pay to see a cub on display or to pet one. Never give props to somebody who's posting a picture like that on any of the social channels.
No, she doesn't like
because that's
you
what's
pet
driving this kind of abuse.
I don't think so. Carol Baskin's ranch, you can't touch her. No, I think you can't take pictures, but I think it'd be like that. I think that was, it's been a while since I watched the Tiger King, but I believe that was one of the stipulations. Okay. A lot's happened to all of those people involved in the Tiger King since it came out, so. Yeah, I don't even know what Carol's up to these days. No one too great. She's now at Big Cat Rescue, does that still exist? I wonder, I think it does, so, yeah. During its 10th anniversary.
having a child, and I'm like, I can't face the fact that I am. Get a Diet Coke.